Okay, let me check the detailed soldering points. As you can see. There's a label. There's a label on the soldering points here. You can check this board. Okay, as you can see, the fixture tuning design as a quick exchange. The quick exchange. There are 4 pins. There are 4 pins for take off, and assembly quick. Okay, take out, take off, and put on. Okay, we open the cover, and so first we load the PCB on the fixture, then insert the components and close the cover, and then turn on and load on the baseboard. Okay, same as other Y platform. Okay, for the teaching pendant, two soldering wire here. Insert the Y into the wire feeder.